The rain, rain, rain came down, down, down in rushing, rising rivulets, till the river crept out of its bed and crept right into Piglet's. Poor Piglet, he was frightened with quite a rightful fright, and so in desperation a message he did write. And the rain, rain, rain came down, 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 so Piglet started bailing. He was unaware atop his chair while bailing he was sailing.
And the rain, rain, rain came down, 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 and the flood rose up, up, upper.
Who too was caught, so he thought 10 honey pots he rescued, enough to see him through. But as he sopped up his supper, the river sopped up too. And the water twirled and tossed him in a honey pot.
The rain, rain, rain came down, 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 when the rain, rain, rain came down, down, down. The rain, rain, rain came down, 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 when the rain, rain, rain came down, down, down. The rain, rain, rain came down, 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 when the rain, rain, rain came down, down, down. The rain, rain, rain